Here you go, little ones. Good puppies.
The fire feels so warm tonight. This is so warm and nice.
Yeah, the fire smells great.
Our toast is almost ready.